Hey friends, welcome to new video. And so everything you play this time, but I think so that you have been to learn uh, that was another so very full watch video. Any happy to for that was know this video, but I think so that he have you been learn to English, but I think so that details she was can know this time, but I think that was she have you people the was air then is not that he can use so, but I think that was he having too strong that this so that people you have been he can so that is right, but I think so you have been playing uh, this video, but I think so you have been learn to English, but I think so you people the then this watch have you been learn to he is right, but I think we're writing uh, right, but I think people the that air you have been what have you can be but I think so that you have play this video, but I think people then watch be happy that you can that is right, but I think so tell me, but you have been learn to that is what have you, but I think so anywhere that is right, everything you have been learned to was I people everything been learned to say, learn to tell me, but I think so that was no happy, but I think happy you been that he everything you been uh, see can people that was know this yes, but I it attend we happy more we can use so that is right, everything we have you have where we have how you how see that is right, but I think so you when see is you having everything right, but I think you haven't having everything you after known, but I think so the then people for about everything you have been so that was not yes, but I think so everything when details in uh, English, but I think so people uh, uh, that he is right to retain everything you when people that was happy, but you have so good right, but I think so everything you were be happy, I think so we happy, but I think that was not but I think yes was yes, but so everything we have you having hairs habs we happy, but I think so this video share and what you haven't see be happy, but to that is what how what you so what I have to that is this what is this that, then the people be happy but what have you been learn to English you have then eaten to solve but writing to be written then be happy what you have been learn to English you told tell me but I then to serve then what you be but people that was the we uh, heavy having see what air you aware then the people so what you have haven't that is right uh, this uh, what is right to but I think so having you so uh, is right written I think what you have been learned to English what is right that was is air you good but good writing written so that was air be happy see is right people then air we air you what that is right but learn to how air then was we that what is having right but to you have been learned to about me. Was we and any another anything every thing. You have been learn to English full watch this video and what air you you have what you air what have you been learned to English but I think you told me tell me but what you have born after but what is right you having people then was bit but I think eating eatings that I think then people then the was be air be happy then what you have learned to English but that was be happy form then learn to full watch this video but I was not yes 18 but I think it is right to that I think friends I think everything you have been learned to English but I think full watch this video I think you have been learned to be written be right right to I think to talk me वीडियो कैसा लगा अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड शेयर